Hi, I'm Mark Enos, principal of Tupelo Middle School, and we look forward to seeing you back on the first day of school. We have worked very hard in setting up a schedule that is designed to promote social distancing and make you very comfortable. We're going to do everything in our power to make things normal. Although this school year will look a little bit different and unique, we plan to implement things that will make you feel at home. Whether you choose distance learning or traditional learning, we're here to meet the academic needs of every child. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns as we prepare for the upcoming school year.